Microbiologist Kartik Chandran studies the Ebola virus, a pathogen from our worst nightmares. Within weeks of infection, most patients leak blood from every orifice and die. Kartik is leading a team to find out how deadly viruses like Ebola evolved to infect humans.
As far as we know, Ebola lives in bats, and every once in a while, this virus can break out from bats into other animals, including primates and apes and humans.
Kartik is investigating how Ebola made the jump from bats to us. He's imagining what it's like to be one of the microscopic bad guys. The human body is a lot like a building where our cells are rooms. Viruses infect us by breaking and entering.
So you might ask me, why does this little room in the storage facility have a lock? And so the answer is obvious, because somebody needs to go in and out. This is an attempt to secure the entrance so that only the authorized individuals can get in. And cells are the same way. You know, cells need to bring stuff in, they need to export stuff, and viruses have really evolved to exploit the sort of entry and access ways.
Viruses mimic the shape of nutrients that the cell needs to survive, just like a lockpick mimics the shape of a key. Once inside the cell, the virus inserts its malicious genetic code. The host cell becomes an enslaved factory, producing countless copies of the invader. A multiplying virus can build so much pressure inside the host cell that it explodes, ejecting millions of viral clones to infect other cells. For a virus to jump from animal to human, it has to find a piece of biological machinery shared by both the animal and the human cell.
Like you often see with viruses and other parasites, they evolve to co-opt these common cellular mechanisms, and Ebola has done just that.
Kartik made a groundbreaking discovery. Ebola relies on a protein called NPC1 to infect cells. NPC1 is found in both bat and human cells. Bats and humans may seem very different, but their cells use remarkably similar molecular machinery. Most viruses that infect bats can also jump to humans. All a virus has to do is find those common keys.